Oh no, busy signal. Oh, that works pretty well.
What do you think, girl?
Oh, he likes that.
Looks like the big one upstairs.
Okay, he knows it's up.
Honey.
Sean!
Movie naked.
I'm trying to put it on.
He doesn't like it.
Sean!
Sean.
Nice.
Oh, eyebrows are down. Concentrate so hard.
Knee highs!
You want to move the table out of the way?
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome,
Not
honey.
that you know it.
Yes, I do. You doubting that I know these things?
Well, are we gonna go further with this one?
Yes, I have to make a call first.
Call your Uncle Brian. Tell him what you have. There he is, Uncle Brian. He has red hair.
Mommy's been looking at that too. Look at little vacation people. How funny.
Look at the pilot. Of course, it might be a woman.
Well,
we'll make believe it's Uncle Brian.
Same difference.
he likes that phone.
It's gonna be an